Welcome to our channel. If you want to build credit specifically to qualify for a home mortgage, follow these step-by-step instructions to prepare for home ownership. Step 1. Check your current credit score and credit reports to understand where you stand. Most mortgage lenders require a minimum score of 620 for FHA loans and 640 for conventional loans, though higher scores get better rates. Step 2. Dispute any errors on your credit reports immediately by contacting the credit bureaus in writing and providing documentation that proves the information is incorrect. Removing errors can quickly boost your score. Step 3. Pay down existing debt aggressively, focusing on credit cards and other revolving accounts. Reducing your credit utilization ratio below 30% significantly improves your score and debt-to-income ratio for mortgage qualification. Step 4. Make all payments on time for at least 12 to 24 months before applying for a mortgage. Recent payment history carries more weight with lenders and demonstrates current financial responsibility. Step 5. Avoid opening new credit accounts or taking on new debt in the months leading up to your mortgage application, as this can lower your score and increase your debt-to-income ratio. Step 6. Keep old credit accounts open to maintain your credit history length and available credit limits, both of which positively affect your credit score and mortgage eligibility. Step 7. Consider working with a credit counselor or using credit repair services if you have serious issues on your credit report, such as collections, charge-offs, or late payments that need to be addressed strategically. Step 8. Save a larger down payment while building credit, as putting down more money can help offset a lower credit score and may qualify you for better loan terms even if your credit isn't perfect. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.